Uh, Hope you're all doing good, friends, and expecting a very volatile market in the coming days. With couple of news, one is the RBI interest rate decision, the US jobs data, which got released, I think, previous week, and post that the market was slightly on the positive side in the global. When we look at the major indices, all trading mostly on the positive side. So, what can we expect in the coming week? Where are we heading? Is and how do we trade? Would be one of the questions which we all would like to know. So, when we look at the global market, the indices, uh, most of them are slightly, I would say, slightly on the negative side. However, not weak as well. And if you look at the charts, if you look at the option chain, we have a different picture altogether. Uh, I'm sorry, I think I clicked the wrong button. Anyways, what is that we traded the cup previous week? Uh, uh, we were on the short side on Friday. I think even on the Thursday we were on the put side. We took one trade which gave us a good return. On Friday, I think we had 18900 P from 166. This went almost about 250, and we also took one trade on Ether, which gave a slight movement up to 90, from 80 to 90. This was a put, and one trade which was very quick, which is in Bank Nifty, which lasted within about 4-5 minutes, from 400 to 450 in almost 2-3 minutes. We were waiting for the right entry, and this moved very quickly. So what is that? And we also had one trade on OFSS 3200 C, from 125 this went to 150 as well. So any friends, do welcome to our channel. If you like our channel, if you find our channel helpful, please do subscribe and give your likes. And as you know, the Gujarat polls are nearby, and we are expecting a huge volatility in the coming days. If you look at the option chain, Nifty has huge resistance at 18,800, and currently this is trading somewhere close to 18,700 levels. So just about 100 points away. Is Also, there is quite a lot of call writers which are sitting at 18,700 also, and maybe that's the reason market closed below this level. So as you all know, we will only trade with our levels. We will not try to predict the market. We will definitely uh, can see that there is resistance build up in Nifty, and to a large extent in Bank Nifty also. So for me, what I look at is market has a nice support at 18,653. Uh, There is a tendency that market can open gap down up to 18,590, 580 levels also. However, I'm expecting a big short covering rally and take the market up. So let me possibly remove uh, this lines so that that just don't get distracted much. Uh, on the higher side, I think Nifty has made the all-time high of 18,890 or 870 levels, and definitely it would try to hit the 19,000 in the coming days. So for me, as I said, I would possibly look to go long if price sustains above possibly uh, if price tends to move down, take support and start moving up, I would look to buy somewhere close to 18,740. Of course, I would also look to go long at this level also if I find the volumes are strong enough and take the market high. On the upper side, my targets would be somewhere close to 18,850 and 18,950 levels or 18. There is also a huge possibility that market can move down, trap the shorts, and then go up when we look at the option chain data because there is a bit of resistance on the upper side. So on the lower side, if I'm going to go short, I would possibly look to go short if price opens slightly above this level and starts moving down. My target first initial target would be somewhere close to 18,550 and 18,500 levels. So let me mark this for you. However, I would look at the structure, I would look at what market is trying to do, and then start taking a decision on which direction to go. On the bank nifty, we can again see there is huge resistance, and if you see bank nifty is moving very quickly, it doesn't give you time to think, and then becomes range bound most of the times. If you see on Thursday, there was it was trending. Uh, Now it opened gap up. It was trading in a range, and then there was a sharp down move. And people were thinking market is more taking support here, moving up, would be stuck and you know wipe out their capital also. So on the bank nifty, I see a good support at somewhere close to. If you look at the option chain, I think there is support at 42,500. I'm sorry, I think the chart settings have changed. Okay, so if you see bank nifty has been going straight up uh, seems to have broken this trend line support. We need to see whether it can get inside and then start moving up, or can go lower up to 14,500 and then start moving up. So tomorrow, as I see, that I see a possibility of Bank Nifty moving, opening down somewhere at 42,750. Below this, my target, as I said, is 42,500. And on the upside, I would possibly look to go long above 42,300 or 4240 for a target of 43 to 80, and 43,500 levels or so. A couple of stocks which I have keeping in radar is State Bank of India, Persistence, and SBI. Jubilant Food also, I am expecting some big movement in the coming week. Jubilant has been pretty much range bound for some time. It tried to move up, has tested, and then started falling down. It has seems to be in a consolidation. It did give a bit of rally, tested this levels, and now at this current price. What I can see is it may further move down and then start moving up to 600 levels or so. So we need to see whether this could happen tomorrow in the coming week and take a prospective trade. Kotak also seems to be showing some signs of positiveness. There is a tendency that it may come down, take support, and then we can see 2,100 levels in maybe a couple of months from now. Uh, as I said, Cummins India has, of course, given a good, nice rally. This, of course, a more up move. This has given a good breakout, if you see, and then strong up move. Uh, while I say that, I also can see that this possibly may try to test 1,400 levels in the coming days. So I would look to go short at 1430 or below this for a target of 14,400, and also can move lower up to 1,360 also, and then retrace back and start moving upwards again. Uh, One thing is very clear, uh, the way FI data is uh, seen and the chart is seen, I can see very strong possibility of the big short covering rally in the coming days, maybe even tomorrow. Uh, Stocks which you can pick, I think, is Adani Enterprise for the coming week. This can give a positive move up to 4,200 levels in a couple of days or weeks. HDFC Bank also, we may see some positive up move. It is slightly on the range bound. I would look to go long above 4,000 in Adani Enterprises also. HDFC Bank, is very much range boundish. Uh, there is a it may take support here and then start moving up again, slowly but steadily. As I have mentioned earlier, my target of HDFC Bank is 2000. First target would be somewhere close to 1880 and higher, which will be an all-time high in this particular stock. Uh, Tata Motors, I'm sure, is many people's favorite stock. So let's look at what it could be doing. What we can see is it is more definitely trading in a tight range, but there is a good support at 412, 430 levels. It may test down and then try go move up, heading towards 5,600. So stay invested. And the other stocks which are in radar is Rain Industries. This also has given a good, nice rally. I see a very strong possibility of this moving up for a target of say 230, sorry, uh, 220 to 240 levels or so. So the other stock which I see is HCL Tech. HCL Technologies has been moving up straight in the couple of weeks. And every dip on HCL Tech is an add. We may get, if it dips, we may get entries around 1500 or 990 levels or so. Persistent Systems has also given a nice strong up move. This possibility is that may hit 5200 to 300 level in the couple of weeks from now. So stay invested. Good luck for tomorrow. Thank you all. Good night, and I hope you all had